Stop flying your Mini. Stop scrolling through Amazon. Because right now, DJI has launched a drone in every other major market, Europe, Canada, Japan, that fundamentally changes the game for budget creators. And for the US audience, this is the story of the best drone you can't buy. Yet, we are talking about the DJI NEO 2, the ultimate budget beast. A drone that packs features previously reserved for $1,000 professional machines into a $250 package. For 30 minutes, I'm giving you the definitive breakdown of why this drone is getting unprecedented reviews globally, and the one massive geopolitical reason why DJI is actively blocking its sale in the United States. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Stick around, because if you leave early, you'll miss the single best option for an aerial camera, and the secret way many US creators are preparing to get their hands on it. Let's start with the revolutionary heart of this budget machine, the camera system. The original NEO was simple. The NEO 2 is professional. Leaks confirm a camera featuring a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, paired with a 2-axis mechanical gimbal for stabilization. That 2-axis gimbal is the key. It completely eliminates the shaky video that plagued its predecessor and delivers smooth, cinematic 4K footage. But the true genius move is the video frame rate. The NEO 2 is reportedly capable of 4K video at up to 100 frames per second. Think about that. 4K 100 FPS on a drone that costs less than half the price of a mid-range action camera. This is an absolute game changer for casual content creators, vloggers, and travelers who want seamless, beautiful slow motion without breaking the bank. This makes the NEO 2 not just a starter drone, but a legitimate creative tool. Now, let's talk safety and intelligence, which has been the main differentiator for high-end drones. The NEO 2 is shattering that barrier by integrating LiDAR sensors and omnidirectional obstacle detection. LiDAR, previously a feature only found on the most expensive DJI drones, provides superior obstacle detection, especially in challenging environments like forests or during low-light conditions. The new sensors reportedly give the NEO 2 a powerful 8-direction tracking capability, meaning it can follow subjects with a level of confidence and stability that is unheard of at this price point. This allows for active track and hands-free shooting that truly works. But all these amazing features are useless without the power to use them. The NEO 2 comes with an improved battery that offers a realistic 19 minutes of flight time, a notable improvement over the first generation. More importantly, leaks confirm that the NEO 2 is fully FPV ready. Through the purchase of a simple external transceiver module, this budget drone becomes instantly compatible with the DJI Goggles N3 and the RC Motion 3 controller. This means you can get the full immersive FPV experience without buying a dedicated, expensive Avata or an FPV build kit. It's a low-cost gateway to the highest level of drone flying. Now we must address the elephant in the room: US availability. This is the crucial reason this video exists. Despite its global launch, DJI has officially confirmed that the NEO 2 will not be sold through official channels in the United States. This is directly related to the increasing regulatory pressure and the looming December 23rd deadline for national security risk assessments on drones manufactured in China. The NEO 2 is essentially a forbidden drone for US consumers,